with some buzzing names as well. Kalyan, Titan, both of them are seeing some bit of green on the screen on the back of their business updates. Mangalam is joining in with more on that. Mangalam, how were the updates?
Well, the updates were good, but the stock price not as much. The reasons for that I will just tell you in a bit, because Titan is among the top Nifty losers. Even Kalyan is down by about 4%, and this despite a decent update coming in. For Titan, for instance, the jewellery business this time around grew by 26%, and this has been led by around mid-teen sort of like-to-like growth coming in the domestic operations as well. For Tanishq's base, this is quite commendable and a good achievement as well, especially after the muted first quarter that we saw. The company attributes this to the bump up in demand that happened after the government announced the customs duty cut on gold itself, which more than offset the lull that these guys saw in the Shraddh period as well. Why is the stock lower then? Because of a couple of factors. One, the non-solitaire studded segment, while it grew well, the solitaire business has not done well, telling you that the studded business for Titan has just grown in low double digits, which impacts the margins. At the same time, the street believes that maybe there has been some preponement of purchases on account of the customs duty cut. So have this street factored in, borrowings from the third and the fourth quarter revenue growth into the second quarter itself is something that we'll have to monitor. For Kalyan Jewellers as well, on a low base, the company grew by almost 37%. The India operations growing at around 39% as well. Same store sales growth of 23%. Here too, the demand jump through customs duty cut has offset the lull in Shraddh. So is this sustainable or not is the big question at a time that all these companies are going ahead and increasing their networks as well. For Titan in particular, what I'll be watching out for is the X of gold price hike. What has been the volume growth and particularly the margins. You'll have to watch out for margins because Titan had lowered their margin guidance to around 11% earlier itself. Can it sustain around that? And, what kind of trends they've seen in the festive season is something that we'll be tracking for both Titan as well as Kalyan. Good updates coming in, but is the best already in the price is the reason that, the stock is, both the stocks are actually seeing a bit of a decline.
Okay, thanks so much for that there, Mangalam. But Titan, Kalyan down and out, but other stock that is down and out